This was the bar. The standard we all accepted. But what happens when a new headset doesn't just raise the bar? What happens when it obliterates it? In 2026, the battlefield has shifted. It's no longer about just resolution or refresh rate. It's about visual fidelity so real it causes vertigo. It's about freedom so complete, you forget you're wearing a world. We plunged into the metaverse, battled in arenas, and even tried to read tiny text, all to find which headset doesn't just show you a new reality, but makes you believe it. The winner is clearer than 8K. Number 1. Meta Quest 3 512GB. Experience every thrill in breathtaking detail, as this innovative headset boasts sharp graphics and stunning 4K infinite display technology. This means that whether you're gaming, streaming, or exploring virtual worlds, you'll witness images that are rich, vibrant, and incredibly lifelike. The enhanced resolution allows for a more immersive experience, letting you lose yourself in the details. No wires, more fun, say goodbye to the limitations of traditional wired devices. This headset allows you to break free from cords and fully engage with your environment. Whether you're playing games, exercising, or exploring expansive virtual worlds, the wireless design grants you the freedom to move without constraints. This untethered experience ensures that you can fully immerse yourself in all your activities without the worry of getting tangled up in wires. Number 2. Meta Quest 3S 128GB. Transform your reality and engage in the activities you love in entirely new dimensions. With the purchase of the Meta Quest 3S 128GB, you'll not only unlock exclusive in-game Gorilla Tag items but also receive a bonus of 1000 shiny rocks, enriching your gaming experience from the start. Say goodbye to cumbersome wires and restrictions. Enjoy the freedom to game, play, exercise, and explore richly immersive worlds without the limitations of tangled cords, ensuring that your adventures are as vibrant and unrestricted as your imagination. Experience a leap in performance with 2x graphical processing power. This advancement translates to lightning-fast load times and next-generation graphics, enabling a smooth and immersive gaming experience that is powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor. Number 3. PlayStation VR2 Horizon. Conquer colossal peaks, overcome fearsome machines and uncover a hidden danger to the world of Horizon in the PlayStation VR2 Horizon Call of the Mountain bundle. Play from a new perspective, experience the sensations of height and wonder as you take in stunning vistas across the Karja and Nora homelands through the eyes of new character, Riaz. View the breathtaking natural world of Horizon in 360 degrees and interact with your surroundings using 2 PlayStation VR2 Sense controllers. Enjoy immersive action, use intuitive movements to climb mountains, hunt machines, shoot your bow and craft items from raw materials. Brave a new adventure, enter a living, breathing world of dangerous machines, tribal lore, exciting quests, and new and returning characters. Share the experience, feel the adrenaline rush in a riverboat ride filled with surprises, that offers the chance to show off PSVR2 to your friends and family. Number 4. HTC VIVE Pro 2. Experience stunning clarity and detail with a remarkable combined resolution of 4896 by 2448. This results in a crystal-clear visual experience, though it's important to note that achieving 5K resolution may depend on the compatibility of your processing unit. Immerse yourself in a broader scope of your surroundings with a generous 120-degree field of view, FOV. This expansive angle is designed to align more naturally with the human visual system, enabling you to perceive your virtual environment in a more intuitive and engaging manner. Enjoy smooth and fluid visuals, enhancing your overall experience, especially in fast-paced gaming and graphics-demanding applications, with a high refresh rate of 120 Hz. This feature significantly reduces motion blur and ensures that your visuals remain crisp and lifelike even during rapid movements. Number 5. VR headset for smartphones. Equipped with an advanced Bluetooth controller, these VR headsets are designed for seamless use, allowing users to effortlessly switch between movies, adjust the volume, or pause playback without the need to frequently remove the headset. The Bluetooth controller features a high-precision sensor, ensuring quick response times and responsive operation for a smooth user experience. This means that whether you're executing a subtle action on the buttons or navigating directional movements, you receive precise feedback that enhances your immersion in the virtual world, making you feel as though you are actively participating in a movie scene. In terms of design, our VR headset stands out among many on the market, which are often criticized for being bulky and cumbersome, leading to discomfort and fatigue during extended use. Our product incorporates breathable sponge padding that conforms to your facial contours, ensuring a snug fit that prevents oppression of the face. Additionally, we have introduced a revolutionary 3-axis fixed headband, which maintains close contact with the head even when the headset is removed, contributing to overall comfort and stability. And that's your portal sorted. The future of play, work, and connection is waiting, and it's more accessible than ever. To step into these worlds, every headset we tested, plus the essential accessories, link cables, and prescription lens inserts, are all waiting for you in the description below. If this guide helped you see clearly, do me a solid, give that like button a virtual high five. Share this with your squad, someone needs to be your multiplayer partner. And subscribe. Because next, we're testing the full-body haptic suits that claim to make you feel the virtual world, and one of them actually does. See you in the next reality.